Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to edit PDF files in mobile free. For editing PDFs on our mobile device, whether it's Android or iPhone, we'll be using the Microsoft Office app, which offers excellent PDF capabilities. Begin by downloading the Microsoft Office app from the Play Store or App Store. Once you have installed it, open the app and you'll find a user-friendly interface. Then click on the PDF Tools button. To edit a PDF, we'll convert it to Words first. Now select the Convert to Word or PDF to Word option and choose the PDF file you want to edit. The app will swiftly convert the PDF into a Word document, pre-serving formatting. Then click on the Browser option and go into the Files app. Now choose the PDF you want to edit. It will take a few minutes to get converted. Then you can edit the PDF, change the text, title, whatever you want. Once edits are done, export the Word document back to PDF through the ellipsis menu. Save the exported file as PDF and store it on your phone. You can also change the title of your new PDF and click to save it. If you need to add a signature, return to the home page, open up your PDF, mark the object where you want to add your signature. Then go back and click on the Apps option. Then select Sign a PDF and choose your recently edited PDF. Now tap where you want to sign, enter your signature and adjust its size and position. After that, click to add a signature. Now sign it on the blank page and save the signed PDF, and you can share it with others using the share button. Then you can move the signature onto your PDF whatever you want. Once you successfully edited and signed a PDF on your mobile device using Microsoft Office, then click on the share icon from the bottom bar and you can send a copy of the PDF form here to anyone you want. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.